Chieveley is a range of fabrics designed by Lewis and Irene, which Sally Ablett has created a pattern for, and it is the quilt that's sitting here over my left shoulder. It's a free downloadable pattern, and she has made it with a block called Turnstile, to which she's added sashing strips, and she's made 9 blocks. They do include 1/8 of an inch, and that's very important. And some of the squares are divided on both diagonals, which would be these ones, and some of the squares are divided on the half, which is these bigger ones. But the instructions are very clear, and your ruler is, let me just grab hold of this, and your ruler is divided in 1/8.